We often boil or steam new potatoes, but they're just as tasty when roasted in their skins. Here's how to make them perfectly every time. If necessary, cut any larger potatoes in half to ensure that they're all roughly the same size. We're using pearline potatoes, but any new potato variety will work well. Place the potatoes on a baking tray with a few sprigs of thyme and rosemary. Next, pour over some olive oil and toss to ensure the potatoes are coated evenly. Season with a little salt. Place in a 180-degree oven and roast for 40 to 50 minutes. About halfway through the cooking time, give them a stir. Serve hot with an extra sprinkle of salt.